Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Waits World Travel. And this week we get to look at an accessible suite, the San Juan Suite on Ruby Princess of Princess Cruises. So let's take a look. As you come in, you can see it's a beautiful suite, very spacious and beautifully decorated. It's set up for twin beds, as you can see. They can also be set up for queen beds or king beds. They push the two twin beds together. But they're lovely beds, very comfortable. And they're lofted, so you can put your luggage underneath the bed, as you can see here. You have separate night tables for each person with additional storage in each of the night tables and individually controlled lights. You have beautiful artwork on the walls. And these suites have upgraded furniture and amenities and decorations. You have another night table with more storage and the phone, of course. And there's the light switches for your night table and for your suite. You have two big flat screen TVs, which is beautiful. You have this lovely seating area with a beautiful chair and a coffee table, and they have canapes there on the coffee table for the guests when they arrive. And this is a sleeper sofa, so you can have two additional people sleeping in the suite, and there's a curtain there that divides the sitting area from the sleeping area, so you can have some additional privacy. It has a double wide deck, which is beautiful, so you have these two reclining deck chairs with pads on them, so very comfortable, and a table there. And then you have two additional chairs with another table, so you can have four people out here enjoying the beverage of your choice, watching the world go by from the privacy of your double wide deck on the Ruby Princess. So just a beautiful, nice, big deck. And then coming back into the suite, you can see how big and spacious the sleeping area is. There's the flat screen TVs again, and then underneath the right hand TV you have this beautiful wet bar setup with additional storage underneath. Then to the left you have the accessible bathroom. So you can see it has handrails down low to help people with their mobility. It has a nice single vanity, also low, with storage on both sides of the vanity, and lovely flowers there on the vanity. And they have an accessible toilet with handrails as well, and the accessible shower with a shower wand and a bench that you can fold down and use. And they have a full-length mirror, and there's a clothesline there on the wall as well. And then coming back, you can see you have this beautiful desk, and then you have this great big closet just inside the door with a safe, and there's your princess slippers and more storage space. You have two cashmere blankets and the life vests, of course. And there's two more life vests right here for the additional people in the suite, and plenty of hanging space above and below, and even more storage space. And here's your princess robes and some princess umbrellas as well. So all the amenities. And then just to the other side of the door, have this lovely sink area with mirror and additional storage space on this side. And then just on the opposite side, on the other side of this full-length mirror, you have more storage space. So just tons of storage space in this very big, very beautiful suite. And more down below as well. And on the right hand side, you can see that you have a mini fridge, so you can keep food and beverages of your choice cold as well. Suite guests get a free or included minibar setup when they first arrive in the suite, and in addition to the canapes that I mentioned earlier. So there's all sorts of amenities that come along with staying in a beautiful suite. So when you're ready to book your next cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks!